Welcome to Materials Alive. I'm Professor Mohammed Ali Almomani from the Industrial Engineering Department at Jordan University of Science and Technology. Why does reducing grain size make a metal stronger? Imagine two runners on two tracks, each 1,000 meters long. On the first track, there is a barrier every 50 meters. On the second, there is only one every 250 meters. Which runner needs more effort to reach the finish line? Clearly the first one, because more barriers must be overcome. Now think of the runner as a dislocation, and each barrier as a grain boundary. In a metal with large grains, there are fewer grain boundaries, so dislocations can travel longer distances with fewer obstacles. But when the grains become smaller, the number of grain boundaries increases. Dislocations encounter barriers more frequently, making their motion more difficult. This means that greater stress is required to continue plastic deformation. This is the physical idea behind grain size strengthening and the Hall-Petch relationship. As grain size decreases, yield strength generally increases. So remember, smaller grains, more grain boundaries, more resistance to dislocation motion, stronger metal. That's grain size strengthening, made visible with Materials Alive.